Hi, welcome everyone to question number 2 and meetings in one room from the topic greedy in Geeks for Geeks must do coding interview question. Have a quick look at the question and we're discussing the meaning and approach behind it. Before that, if we have any extra email IDs, please do subscribe and support our channel. And if you have any doubt, just leave a comment below. We'll be very quick to respond. Now coming to the question, this question is very much similar to the first question and in fact it has a same code applied to it. If you want to go and check the first question, I will be sharing the link in the description. Okay, you can check the link and get back to this question if you like. Okay, and I will be discussing the same approach again in this question. Okay, coming to this question, we have start and end. Coming to this question, we have start and end arrays. Okay, and in this question where it is saying that there are supposed to be some number of meetings that should be conducted in only one room. Okay, in only one room, how will you conduct the meetings? Okay, meetings can only be conducted one by one. Only one meeting is going on and you cannot make another meeting in that same time. So basically the meeting should be arranged in a sorted order. Okay, one by one meeting should be there and those meetings should be sorted by the end of the time. Okay, meeting should always be sorted when the previous meeting is ending. Okay, after that only we will decide the next meeting time. Okay, so now let us make a pair of start and end time for those meetings. Let us name it S and the pairs will be 1 2 3 4. I'll be writing same as it is in the example. After writing these pairs, okay, now we have to sort them according to the meeting ending time. Okay, by meeting ending time only we can decide the starting time of the next meeting. So this S is already in a sorted order, so we don't have to write it again. You can check, we have 2 4 6 7 9 and 9 at the end of the meeting time. So these are already in ascending order, so there is no need to sort it again. Okay, but if there is a different timing given, we have to sort them first. Okay, after sorting we have this value which is same. Okay, after sorting that, now we have to check the end of the time, if the end of the time is smaller than the next starting time or not. If it is smaller, then only we will be counting that meeting time as a valid one, and we have to count how many meetings we can conduct like that. Okay, coming to the example here, 2 is smaller than 3, so that is true, that will be one count. And before comparing, the starting value will always be included in that count. Okay, the starting value is 1 2, that will always be there, that is 1. And another count will be, is 2 smaller than 3? Yes, it satisfies the condition, then 1 plus 1. Okay, since it satisfies the condition, we move this pointer. You can assume this as x pointer and this as the y pointer. Now x pointer will become the y pointer and y pointer will move to the next element. Y will be here and x will be shifting here now. Now again same, it will compare, is the smallest, I mean the end of the time is smaller than the starting of the time of the next pair or not. It is not, so we will move the y element here. Now again we check, is 4 smaller than the 5? Yes, it is smaller, so we can move to the next meeting and we can add plus 1 here. After adding plus 1, now x will be shifting towards this pair. Okay, x pointer has shifted to this pair and y will point towards the 8 9 now. So x is here and y is here now. Now again similarly, 7 will be compared to the next element starting time. So 7 is smaller than 8, it satisfies, so it is good. Now again, if the condition satisfies, x will be moving towards the y pointer. So x will come here and y will move to the next location. Now we have to check the end of the time of the x pointer is smaller than the starting time of y pointer or not. It is not smaller, so we will ignore this element also. As we have reached the end of the list, we got the count 4 and this will be our output for this question. We can conduct 4 meetings according to the start and end time that we have been given. If you have understood the question, that is great. If you haven't understood, let us look at the code, and after seeing the code it will be very much clear. Now we are inside the Geek for Geeks website and this is the same code as in the previous question. So in this code, what is happening is we're taking a variable activity and we're going to store all the starting and ending timings of the meetings. Okay. After storing them in a pairwise manner in a list, we're going to sort them according to the end time of the meeting. Okay, after sorting, we're taking result variable and giving a value 1, because whatever activity that we are going to compare to the other one, if the meeting should be conducted or not, that is already included, so we are taking 1 for that. And j equal to 0, this is one pointer that will be used to change the location of the current pointer. Okay, so for I in range n here, if activity I 0, and here 0 indicates the starting time. Okay, starting time we have to compare the of the next element only. Okay, we are comparing the starting time is greater than the ending time of the previous element or not. If this is satisfied, then we're going to update the count of the result, and then we're going to change the position of the pointer j. J will be coming in the I pointer, and I pointer will be moving towards the next element. So in this way, it will always compare the next element with the previous element only. Okay, after iterating to the all loop, we will get the final value inside the result, and that will be our final output to this question. I hope you have understood the meaning and approach and code towards this question. If you like the video, please give us a like, and also don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching till then. Let's meet in another question.